one day I'll have a chair that doesn't squeak. That's how I'll know I've made it. Hi guys! Welcome back, and if you are new here, hello! My name is Miranda, and I'm a makeup artist. I go by Ruthless Cosmo on all of my socials, and I create content around pretty much everything that has to do with beauty and makeup. Today, I have the BoxyCharm base box for the month of May that I'm going to be unboxing for you, and I'm going to be trying on the products that are in here while I get ready for my date tonight. By the way, I missed an upload for Ipsy and BoxyCharm last month because I kind of got my boxes like sprawled out throughout the whole month. For example, I got 2 Ipsy bags in the month of April. The first of which I realized was actually from March, and then I didn't get the actual April bag until 2 days before the end of the month. And then I got my BoxyCharm at the end of the month as well. And so I decided to just skip that upload on YouTube because I felt like it wouldn't really have made the most sense. I felt like it was kind of late, especially since 2 days later I got this month's BoxyCharm. So I did go ahead and do the unboxing still. However, I just posted them to my TikTok and my Instagram instead of uploading them here to YouTube. If you are interested to see what I got in the 2 Ipsys and the BoxyCharm from last month and / March, you can go ahead and find those over on my Instagram and my TikTok. While you're there, you should go ahead and follow me. That way you can keep up with all of my content in between YouTube video uploads. So today's video will be divided up into 3 different parts. The first of which is going to be the unboxing of the actual BoxyCharm, where I open this up, I show you the products, we go over the prices and everything like that. The second part is going to be the try-on. I am going to be using these products in today's video while I get ready. And then the third part is going to be just like a quick little recap review of all of the products that I got last month. So I am on a little bit of a time crunch today, so let's just go ahead and get right into it. So if you don't know what BoxyCharm and Ipsy is, you should go ahead and check out my first video that I did on these because I go a little bit more in depth about what these are, the pricing and everything like that. This is the base box for this month. So this month's theme is called Super Bloom, and I love the color of this. This is my favorite color. On the back here, it's going to show you the products and the prices. I don't want to see that yet because I want to be surprised as to what's in here. So opening it up, I'm gonna remove that guy. And here we have our products. First thing that I'm reaching in here and grabbing is going to be, so Ciate London Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint. Interesting. So this is pretty cute. I don't think that I've ever tried a glossy cheek tint, but that could actually be really cute for like if you want to have like that dewy, like beachy kind of vibe to your makeup that day. The second product that we have is by Cab Lemon and Lime Lip Oil Duo. I actually have one of these lip oils already. Mine is a pink one that I got before. Oh, these are super cute. Third product is gonna be Basic Beauty Eyeshadow Primer. I do need a new eyeshadow primer. I've kind of been tired of using the same P. Louise base that I use all the time. The fourth one is gonna be Skin Ink Supplement Bar Serum Glow Filter. A unique serum with a rare gold hibiscus extract that acts as a makeup base to smooth and even skin tone while helping provide brightening and anti-aging benefits. It also helps make pores less visible and gives a pearl finish. All right, so it looks like we have a primer. Ooh, okay. So this has a lot of fun little beads. It's going to look like this. So it looks like we have a primer and an eyeshadow primer to try in today's makeup. And one last final product, we have the Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner with vegan probiotics and prickly pear extract. Okay, so those are the 5 items that we got in this month's BoxyCharm. And now I'm going to go over the prices. Skin Ink Serum Glow Filter Primer. This guy right here retails for $50. Gloasis Milk Dew pH Balancing Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner. That's a lot of words. Retails for $34. The Ciate London Dewy Blush, this little guy, retails for $22. The Cab Cosmetics Lemon and Lime Lip Oil Duo retails for $39. And the Basic Beauty Eyeshadow Primer, this little guy right here, retails for $18. And we get $163. I believe that each base box is supposed to have a $150 value. So this one being $163 seems pretty good. So let's jump into the next portion of today's video. So my hair is all clipped back and out of my face, and I am ready to start doing my makeup. So the first guy that I want to go in with is the Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a few drops right in the center of this guy. And when applying my toner, I usually like to start in the T-zone and like right here where I get oily. Okay, so I'm going to finish my skincare real fast, and I will be back for the primer. Skincare is on and set. Let's go in with this guy. So I was reading the back of this, and it says directions: use 1 to 2 pumps before makeup as a primer to brighten skin, even skin tone, and help reduce the appearance of fine lines. All right, let's see. Prime. Prime that palm. There we go. 1, 2. It is about that much. Ooh, it has a little bit of like a silicone-y texture. You know, like the one I'm thinking of specifically is the Smashbox Photo Finish primer, like the smoothing one, like the one that comes in the gray tube. Ooh, it feels nice. The next things that we have are going to be eyeshadow primer, blush, and lip oil. So I'm going to go ahead and do my base and everything first, and then I'll come back so we can try the blush. I have foundation, concealer on, and contour, and as you can tell, I am baking my nose contour, but I figured while I do this, because this is a glossy cheek tint, I want to do this before I powder the rest of my face. Here. Okay. Ooh, it smells like watermelon. Ooh, I like that. That's really cute. I really like it, and I really like this colors for my skin tone. Awesome. All right, so let me go finish off the rest of my face with some powders, and then we'll be back for the eyeshadow primer. Back again, and it is eyeshadow primer time. Blend it on my finger on this side. It feels very smooth, which is nice because I feel like this could be a good eyeshadow primer to put on like underneath my eyes as well. Sometimes I'll do that. I'll like put eyeshadow primer on my under eye or even my nose. Sometimes if you have issues with your makeup being removed like on your nose, especially if you're wearing a mask or whatever, a fun little trick that you can do is apply eyeshadow primer before your makeup, and it helps it stay in place. This is the makeup look that I came up with today, and now I'm going to go ahead and do the final part, which is the lip oils. I'm pretty sure they're the same formula, so I want to go ahead and use the lime one, which smells like Sprite, which is the green one. Ooh, this one feels a little bit thicker, which is nice. It is a little sticky. I could have also used, I did use a little bit more than I probably should have, so just gonna tap it out with my finger a little bit. Finally, we are done with the try-on portion of this video, so now we're going to go ahead and quickly move into the third and final part of the video, which is going to be a quick recap of all of the products that I got last month. Most of which I did actually use to create this look that I have here today as well. So let's get into that. To start off the reviews, I'm going to quickly talk about the products that we got in today's box, just a quick little opinion. So starting off with the skincare items that we got in today's box, the toner and the primer, I will need a little bit of time to test these out and see how they perform over time and see if I notice any difference on my skin, but so far they feel nice. I didn't notice anything immediately that I didn't like, so that's a good sign. For the dewy blush, I do think that it's a really cute pink color. I did try to apply this after I had also powdered my face and it didn't work quite as well, so this is definitely a product that you want to put on before any powder, but it is really cute. It is very sheer and could be cute for like a quick little, if you're doing like a no makeup day where you're just using like a tinted moisturizer and you want a little bit of color and shine to your face, this is really good. I did like the feel of the eyeshadow primer. I will need to see how my eyeshadow lasts throughout the day to see if there's any creasing or anything like that, but right off the bat I didn't notice anything. And for the lip oils, I did like them. However, immediately I did put a little bit too much on, and if you do put a little bit too much on, it does get a little sticky, and I don't like sticky. So I would probably recommend just dabbing maybe like 2 or 3 drops of this on like your bottom lip and just like smearing it onto your top lip, just like rubbing them together, because now that I kind of took some of that product off and I have just a little bit on, I do like the way my lips feel. So jumping into the products that I got last month, I'm gonna be completely honest, I don't remember what products I got in which box or bag. So if you are curious as to that, like I said, you can go ahead and find those over on my socials. So let's just jump right into it. So I did get the Juice Beauty SPF 30 oil-free moisturizer. I did like this, however, I put this on just by itself and I didn't wear any makeup, and I walked into work and my manager was like, "Are you okay? You look a little pale," because even with blending this fully out, it does leave a little bit of like that white cast on your face. So this should be used under makeup unless you want to look a little bit more pale. But product wise or like performance wise, I think it worked really well. It didn't affect my makeup at all, and it's SPF 30, which is really good. Then I also got the About Face Beauty, the Light Lock Highlight Fluid in Fight or Flight. This is a really pretty pink tone highlighter that I did use on my face as well today. I used it underneath my foundation and it does have a really nice glow, especially added to the dewy blush. Both of these together are really pretty. All right, so the next item that we have is the Ciate London, the Bamboo Bronzer. This is a really pretty shade. I like it a lot. It is warm tone, but it's really nice for like a sun-kissed type bronze color. This is the shade Palm Island. I like it a lot. And then I also got the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Luminous Foundation. They gave me the shade 160C, which is actually pretty close to my actual shade. Really great since I wasn't obviously able to shade match myself, so they did do a pretty good job. I like it a lot. I love luminous foundations. I have dry skin, so anything that makes me look a little bit glowy, I really like. Next, we have the Studio Makeup Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I really like this a lot. It's very fine feeling, like it's very thin, and it doesn't feel super greasy. I feel like it soaks up, like my skin soaks it up immediately, and it feels really good. I've used this for a couple of weeks now, and I use it under my foundation and my makeup and stuff, and I don't feel like it affects it at all, so I like it a lot. Now, the Soul Clean Probiotics Balancing Cleanser. I love the way that this feels, and I also love the way that this smells. The smell of this is very nostalgic. For some reason, I can't figure out what it is that this reminds me of, but it reminds me of happy times. It brings like a really nice feeling, and it feels really good. I actually feel like it cleans my skin very well, which is great, so I love that. Next, we have the Buddha Tea Tree and Aloe Mask Scrub. I've used this a couple of times. It is pretty nice. I do feel like it gives me a good exfoliation. However, I don't know that I necessarily notice anything amazing after using it. It just feels like a normal standard exfoliating mask, so, but it's not bad. Next we have the Pumpkin and Silk, the Luminous Pre-Makeup Base that I got in one of them as well. This feels really nice. It also smells really good as well. It is cruelty-free and vegan, which is nice. It is a good primer. Again, it does give like a little bit of a shine, which I use this under the Luminous Foundation, and I feel like it gives me a really pretty natural, like glow from within type of luminous finish, which I do like. And I don't notice anything bad about my makeup. I don't notice that it cakes anywhere or kind of like comes off on my nose or anything like that. Like I feel like it wears like a normal hydrating primer, so that's really nice. Next, I am wearing this on my eyes. I have a rose quartz liquid eyeshadow. I also just noticed that this is shaped like a lipstick on the inside right here. That's fun. But this is just a really pretty pink liquid eyeshadow that I like. And then I also got 2 mascaras. I got the Say mascara and I got the Item Beauty mascara. I really like both of them. Both of them have really fun small wands. Next, we got the Gerard Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Hydromatte liquid lipstick in 1995. This is just a really pretty standard liquid lipstick. If you don't prep your lips beforehand with a really good oil or like a lip primer, it will be a little bit drying like most liquid lipstick. But color-wise, I think it's really pretty, and yeah, I really like the frosted packaging as well. Been seeing a lot of that recently. Almost done. We have the Formula Z So Pretty eyeshadow palette, and I really liked this one. Especially this shimmer shade right here, like this loose glitter. I like that a lot. And it's just like a really pretty standard neutral eyeshadow that has fun glitters in it if you want just like something to like spice it up just a little bit. And then we got the Farrah brushes. I used them today, so they do have product on them. And I really like this one. This one is a foundation brush, but I've been using it for my bronzer. I've been using this one for my concealer, this one for eyeshadow, and then I've been using this one for blush. And they're really cute little packaging. Like the handles have like little daisies on them. It's really cute and I like them. And last product real fast is the Celia Clay Cleanser Facial Collection Glacier something. I have not used this yet because honestly I forgot about it, so maybe I'll make like a TikTok or an Instagram reel about this. Alright, well that is everything that I have for you today. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this unboxing video, and if you like unboxing videos and you want to see more of them, make sure to subscribe because I'm trying to do this every single month. Normally I do BoxyCharm and Ipsy, but since I got them kind of spread out throughout last month, I'm not sure if I'm also going to get them at different times through this month, so I did decide just to do BoxyCharm, and then once I get Ipsy's, I will do Ipsy as well. So you're probably going to get 2 videos this month for YouTube uploads. And like I mentioned earlier in the video, if you like beauty content, if you like anything about makeup and different like fun tips and tricks and hacks and stuff like that, make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok because I post more there. It's a lot easier for me to post more frequently on those platforms. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you over on my other socials. Well, that's all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.